the elevator at Wheatley Hall of the School of Informatics, Humanities, and Social Sciences at Robert Morris University in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. This is a ThyssenKrupp Sigma 4, Oildraulic or Endura. Loud chime. It's kind of a tall ceiling. The 3 door calls is twisted, and 3 is kind of has the cap saying Endura. Here we go. Slow, kind of. Okay. Oh, almost low on the rise. Soon to be. Back down to ground. Basic cab. And again, it is kind of tall. I don't know why they chose kind of a tall cab. Ground. I do find it interesting with center opening doors. Most of the ThyssenKrupps have been have single slot doors, but some of the ones have been have center opening like this one. Yeah, closing, let's get.